In this video, we will build up your English fluency with 3 awesome adverbs. All 3 are classified as adverbs of manner. What makes these kinds of adverbs so useful? Well, they tell us the way something happens or how something happens. So hang on, your 3 adverbs are coming your way in just a few seconds. Now, although we're only focusing on 3 adverbs in this video, I'm presenting my favorite of the 3 as adverb number 3. I like saving the best for last, but adverb number 1 is certainly no slouch. Here's what it will do for you. It will emphasize or intensify the meaning of your message at a level far beyond the ordinary. So what is adverb number 1? Adverb number 1. Extremely. Let me show you how this adverb emphasizes or intensifies the meaning of your message. Here's a sentence without the word extremely. Dan is a proud new father. Here's the same sentence with the word extremely. Dan is an extremely proud new father. In the second sentence, the adverb extremely emphasizes how proud Dan is as a new father. Awesome, right? Let's do some role-playing exercises to get you to practice using the adverb extremely. I'll play Bob, this is me, and this is you. I'll start the conversation. When you reply, make sure to add extremely. Exercise 1. I heard that Lisa is now working. Is that right? Exercise 2. Greg just gave me the bad news. Do you agree with him? Exercise 3. Do you think our team is ready to face the Red Sox? Great job in completing the 3 exercises using the adverb extremely. Now, if you think extremely is an intense adverb, wait till we get to adverb number 3. Here are a few choice words that describe adverb number 3: excessive, energetic, and extraordinary. But first, let's move on to adverb number 2. Adverb number 2, absolutely. When describing something as having no restrictions or limitations, or one without exception, absolutely is the adverb to use. Let's take a look at how this adverb can strengthen your message with this example. Here's a sentence without the word absolutely. Pam is sure. Now here's the same sentence using absolutely. Pam is absolutely sure. In using absolutely in the second sentence, you're left with no doubt about how sure Pam is. Let's do some role-playing exercises to get you to practice using absolutely. I'll play Bob. This is me, and this is you. I'll start the conversation. When you reply, make sure to add absolutely. Exercise 1. Is it a good idea to hire a training company to work with our sales team? Exercise 2. How successful was last night's show? Exercise 3. Do you think we should invest in Tina's restaurant? Great job again in completing these 3 exercises using the adverb absolutely. Now it's time for adverb number 3. Adverb number 3, incredibly. This is the right word to use if you want to emphasize that something is difficult to believe. Incredibly could also be used to point out how astonishing or incredible something is. Let's take a look at the impact this adverb can have on your message with this example. Here's a sentence without the word incredibly. Bill Gates is wealthy. Here's that same sentence using incredibly. Bill Gates is incredibly wealthy. In using incredibly in the second sentence, one could get the impression that Bill Gates' wealth is well beyond the reach of most people. Let's do some role-playing exercises to get you to practice using incredibly. I'll play Bob once more, and I'll start the conversation. When you reply, make sure to add incredibly. Exercise 1. Can you believe that Kevin rescued all those people from a burning building? Exercise 2. How did Sally put up with her ex-husband? Exercise 3. How close did Jim come to winning that race? There you have it. The 3 adverbs that will help you become a more powerful communicator in English once you start using them correctly. Let's do a quick recap of the adverbs we covered in this video. Adverb number 1, extremely. Adverb number 2, incredibly. Adverb number 3, absolutely. Now, which one of these 3 adverbs is your favorite? Just send me your comment after this video. I'd really love to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you'll know when my next video will be available for you. Okay then, have yourself a great day and God bless.